Hey there crafters and jewelry lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something really cool to show you guys, how to create the stunning gemstones effect on polymer clay using alcohol ink. Before we get started, let's grab our gear. You're gonna need some polymer clay and make sure to put it on a tile or glass so it's easy to move around. Alcohol inks, I've got some gorgeous blues, greens, and a shiny gold metallic one. Check the description box for links to where I got mine. And don't forget the blending solution for the alcohol inks. I'm using one from Octopus, and yep, you can find it on my Amazon storefront. So step one is prepping the clay. Alrighty, first thing first, we've got to prep our clay canvas. Take your white clay and flatten it out. Now drip a few drops of blending solution under. But don't go crazy, you can always add more later. Grab a flat brush and spread that solution all over the clay. Now comes the fun part, the inks. I'm kicking things off with a deep blue color. Just plop a few drops on the clay. Then grab your air blower and use it to spread the ink around. If things get a bit sticky, no worries, just add a drop or two of the blending solution right on top of the ink. Get it going with your other colors, experiment and create your dream gemstone look. I cannot wait to see what color combinations you guys come up with. So now time to make things sparkle. Shake up that gold metallic color really good, and you can go heavy on the gold for some extra bling or keep it subtle. Totally up to you. Don't be shy, mix in some teal and green with the gold for a mesmerizing effect. Keep blending and playing around until your clay masterpiece matches your vision. Feel free to splash more blending solution and get experimental. So now we should let it dry. Alright, it's patience time. Let those colors dry up completely. Usually it takes about a day. Now we can craft our shapes. Cover your dried clay with plastic wrap and then use your cutters to shape it as you like. Now don't toss those scraps just yet. Mix them all up until you've got this awesome granite effect going on. Use it to make more clay creations. It's like getting two looks in one. And if you don't have a Dremel like me and you need earring holes or something, don't forget to punch them in. I use this tiny round cutter from Amazon to punch some earring holes. Now bake them up. Follow the baking instructions on your polymer clay package to bring your creations to life. And there you have it, your very own gemstone-inspired polymer clay masterpiece. I'm absolutely in love with what alcohol inks can do on clay, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. So here are the final results after sanding. I love this gemstone effect on these pieces, and I also love this almost like turquoise granite look on these scrap clay earrings. If you had a blast watching this tutorial, do me a favor, give that thumbs up button some love, subscribe to my channel for more crafty ideas, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next project. Thanks a million for hanging out with me today, and until next time, keep creating and have a fantastic day. Catch you in the next video.